My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups that come from the website Totaldefenceadademy.online. Totaldefenceadademy.online is a new junk and truly deceptive site. Currently, it attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computer. The real purpose of all these pop-ups is to trick visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Therefore, if you ever see these pop-ups by Totaldefenceadademy.online, don't trust them, disregard them. Such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware enabled in the computer, so check the control panel in order to uninstall any programs which could be suspicious. If you don't find anything suspicious but you see these pop-ups, I recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then start researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.